Most of us get our annual health checkups. We go see our primary care doctor, we get our blood work done. If you're a woman, maybe you're getting an annual mammo or a pap smear, you're getting your colonoscopy every 5 years, and you're seeing the dentist every 6 months. But what if I told you there's an exam that you may be missing as part of your annual checkups that could pick up over 200 medical conditions? Yes, 200 medical conditions through a single exam. Would you not get it? Of course you'd get it. So what is that exam? It is an eye exam. Yes, the eyes are not just a window to your soul, they are a window to your overall health. On an eye exam, especially a dilated eye exam, we can pick up so much. We can pick up high blood pressure, we can pick up diabetes, we can pick up heart problems, we can pick up autoimmune conditions, we can even pick up certain kinds of cancer from a simple eye exam. So I ask you, have you gotten your eye exam this year? If you haven't, you may be missing an incredible opportunity to get insights into your health and pick up things that you never ever knew were a problem. So go make that appointment. Go do it today.